Before my incarceration, I did a little bit of carpentry work with my dad, and I've never worked on a toilet, I never fixed a sink, and it gives you like a new sense of independence, like not having to rely on other people. And like when I do go home, if my toilet breaks, hey, I can fix that. That's a good feeling.
It's the first women's group at a region level. So we've always had female maintenance workers, but now we actually have them at the region level, and we travel to the different female units.
I like being able to come and fix things. The girls are just so grateful. All the inmates are so grateful that we're coming and we're helping out, like helping, even if it's just with a toilet or if it's with a sink. Everybody's so grateful and they appreciate everything that we're doing. So that makes me feel good.
It could translate into a job when they release. This offers maybe something that they didn't know they would be good at too. I like to give some people that maybe don't have the experience in maintenance, I like to offer it to them because you never know what kind of treasure lies there, and it also offers them self-esteem and confidence in doing something that maybe they've never done before.
But that we usually do naked. You just have to make sure you don't cross thread.
She cares about us, she wants us to succeed, so that it helps a lot having a boss that's going to encourage us, especially when we question ourselves. My self-esteem wasn't that great when I came to prison, and honestly, just really boosts your self-esteem. It gives you confidence, and this is not something for everybody, you know, but don't let those thoughts hold you back from getting in there and seeing what you can do, because you'll surprise yourself. You'll surprise the people around you. I surprised my mom, I surprised my dad, because they never thought that I would be over here fixing toilets, but they're super proud of me, and I'm proud of myself.
I definitely think it sends a message to females that even if you don't go out and fix toilets, you've gained character traits that are going to carry on past these prison gates.
I mean, I may not be as strong as a man, but I think I can do anything that a guy can do, like, and wear pink, so it's great.